What information do I need to provide to perform a Blue Cross Blue Shield policy number lookup?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to perform a Blue Cross Blue Shield policy number lookup. If you've ever wondered what information you need to provide for this process, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
Identifying the policy number.
The first step in performing a Blue Cross Blue Shield policy number lookup is to identify the policy number you want to look up. The policy number is a unique identifier assigned to each individual policy within the Blue Cross Blue Shield system. It is crucial to have the correct policy number to ensure accurate and relevant search results.
Member information.
Once you have the policy number, it's important to gather some key member information associated with the policy. Blue Cross Blue Shield typically requires certain details to verify your identity and access the policy information. Here are some of the common pieces of member information you may need to provide. Full name, your full legal name as it appears on the policy documents. Date of birth, your date of birth to confirm your identity. Address, the address associated with the policy, which may be used for verification purposes. Contact information, valid phone number and email address where you can be reached. Make sure to have this member information readily available before proceeding with the Blue Cross Blue Shield policy number lookup.
Additional supporting details.
In some cases, Blue Cross Blue Shield may require additional supporting details to assist in the policy number lookup process. These details may vary depending on the specific circumstances and the information you're seeking. Here are a few examples of additional information that might be requested. Group number. If your policy is part of a group plan, the group number helps identify the specific plan within that group. Employer information. If your policy is employer-sponsored, you may need to provide details about your employer, such as the company name or employer identification number, EIN. Member ID. Blue Cross Blue Shield assigns a unique member ID to each individual covered under a policy. Having the member ID can aid in the lookup process. Be prepared to provide any additional supporting details that Blue Cross Blue Shield may request based on your specific circumstances. And there you have it. When performing a Blue Cross Blue Shield policy number lookup, it's important to have the necessary information at hand. Remember to gather the policy number, member information, and any additional supporting details that may be required. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Blue Cross Blue Shield directly for assistance. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Take care, and we'll see you next time.